What if I told you there's a secret door to access Google's most powerful AI video generator, VEO3, a door that doesn't ask for a credit card and doesn't require a special student's email. This is the tool that creators are using right now to build faceless YouTube channels that get millions of views and generate thousands of dollars in passive income. Today, I'm not just giving you the key to that secret door. I'm also giving you that map of what to do once you're inside. I'll show you how to get VEO3 for free, and then unreveal 5 golden channel ideas that can make you a viral success. You are going to want to watch every single second of this video.
Huh? Free VEO3? No credit card? Oh, is this some kind of human trick?
Wait, VEO3 for free, without a credit card. How is this even possible?
So let's be clear, what's VEO3? Really, it's not just an AI video tool for a content creator, it's a complete automated content factory. Think about it, the number one reason people fail on YouTube is the time and cost of creating high quality video. VEO3 solves this problem. It's allow you to create unlimited Hollywood-level cinematic videos from a single line of text. Why is this a goldmine? Because for the first time ever, you can test dozens of video ideas quickly and free. You can build entire channels around short, emotional, viral stories that are almost guaranteed to get views. More views mean faster monetization. Faster monetization means you start making money from your passion today. This isn't just a tool. It's a business opportunity. Every step you take now is a step toward your first viral money-making video. Step number 1. First, go to Cloud Skill Boost.Google. This is Google's official learning platform. Click join and sign in with any normal Gmail account. Step number 2. The magic word. Once you are logged in, click Explore and find this specific course, a tour of Google Cloud sustainability. Just enrolling in it is the secret key that unlocks the free tool. Step number 3. Start the lab. Inside the course, click the Start Lab button. Google will give you a temporary username and password. Don't worry about the timer. Step number 4. This part is very important. Right-click on Open Google Cloud Console and you must choose Open it in incognito window. This is the trick to make sure it's works perfectly. Step number 5. Entering the comment center. Use the temporary login detail to sign into the new incognito window. You are now inside the Google Cloud Console. On the left menu, find and click on Vertex AI. And the point result, unleash VEO3. Inside the Vertex AI, go to Media Studio and select VEO3 Preview. And that's it. You now have full free access to this amazing tool. Now you are ready to create viral video. Here are 5 golden channel ideas that you have huge potential to go viral and make your money. Idea number 1.
All right, boys, orders just came in from Vader's bitch ass, and me and Greg are headed to Endor. 3.
Guys, I think I lost Greg. I swear he was right behind me.
A character vlog. Take a famous character like Stormtrooper and put them into funny real-world situation. Channel like Corridor Digital get millions of views with this formula. It's easy way to go viral because the audience is already there. Idea number 2. AI music video. This is a brand new way to get views. You take a famous story and use AI to create a modern pop songs and moody video for it. This is totally unique and has the potential to start a new trend, which means with view and with money. Idea number 3.
Yo, Adam here. Where am I? God just made me, for real.
The immersive sleep vlog. Relaxation channel like a sleep Bible vlog. You can use VEO3 to create beautiful dreamlike video like floating through a crystal forest. This video gets very long watch time, which is great for making money from YouTube. Idea number 4. Take a famous movie from one genre like comedy and use AI to create trailer for it. Idea number 5.
Alright everyone, for today's vlog, I'm jumping into a volcano.
All right, guys, this is actually happening. We are literally floating into North Korea.
Guys, this is not a drill. Zombie apocalypse is real. Gotta run.
The impossible challenge. This is the mysterious formula. Who want to make millions? You use AI to create insane challenge, like traveling to North Korea, beef balance. This work because it makes people curious. That curiosity creates viral video and attract the highest paying ad. These are just a starting point, and if you want to deep dive into 5 complete business models we can build around AI content, I covered that in my last video. The card should be popping up right above.